Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to the Plant Spot. So today's feature plant is an Amydrium Silver. Very cute. Stick around. Alright guys, so before we start the video, today I wanted to give a shout out to two of my husband's buds, Ferg and Hit. They're not houseplant enthusiasts, but they want to grow veggies. Can you believe that? In South Florida, they want to grow veggies. So if you guys have a good channel for them or someplace they can look for more information, please drop that in the comments below. They said they were going to subscribe, so we shall see. Anywho, back to this beautiful plant. So today's feature plant is an Amydrium. I'm going to butcher the name a couple of times, but it's an Amydrium Silver. And what drew me to this plant was the look of the leaf and the color. So I like that it's green, but it's got a silver tinge to it. Something else that I like is that it looks and favors a monstera or even a I can't say that. Raphidora? Well, you guys know what I'm talking about. And if not, we'll put the name at the bottom. A lot of people confuse this plant with like the Monstera family. It's part of the Archaea family, but it's not a Monstera. It's a genus of its own. So I got this plant back in November of last year. It came as a small, I actually bought it at, I want to say Pike's Nursery. It was actually much smaller. And when I got it, I left it for about a couple of weeks and then I placed it on this moss pole. I want to train it to go up. The leaves have the potential to get large and change its shape as it grows up the pole and it becomes more mature. I would say for me, this particular plant has been a little bit slow to grow. They do like bright and direct light. Like most steroids, they want a soil that's rich in organic material, but that's loose and drains well. This plant, per se, for me, it likes to dry out in between waterings. If I give it too much water, the leaves tend to turn yellow. I've lost a couple at the bottom. I fertilize this plant with every watering. As far as pest pressures, I haven't had any, but I do know that they're prone to mealybugs, thrips, aphid, all of those things. So my suggestion would be with every watering to inspect your plant. You should be doing that anyway, just to prevent, infestations and to be able to catch them in time. This plant is native to Southeast Asia. I do know that I've seen them growing like in a hanging basket, but I do know that if you want the leaves to mature and if you want them to get larger and to create the fenestrations, because they fenestrate just like a monstera. In other words, what I'm trying to say is that they'll get the double fenestrations in between the midrib. Just like a monstera would do. If you Google it and you look at it online and you look for a mature version, you'll see that they have the fenestration holes in between the midrib of the plant. And that's really cool because the shape is very different, but it's also very similar. Let's see, what else can I tell you? She seems to be an easy grower. What I've noticed for me is that she'll put out maybe, I want to say 1 to 2 leaves a month. As you can see, she's got one coming in here. She's got another one unfurling there. She's been slow to attach to the pole though. I don't know if you can see, I've got several clips trying to train her and to encourage her to attach. Although while I was sitting here, I was looking and I could see that she is rooting. So that's a good sign. I hope soon that she'll put more roots inside of the moss. Other than that, I would say just make sure you keep her clean, keep her moist, give her bright and direct light, fertilize with every watering if you can in the growing season. and she should do very well for you. It's not a very expensive plant. They're starting to become a little bit more common. I have not seen these in the box stores, but I do know that, you know, more specialized nurseries, if you will, like the Pikes and smaller local nurseries, they are carrying these. So you should check it out. It's a very pretty plant with its silver blue leaves. And I adore it, so I highly recommend it. So, guys, thank you for spending some time with me. Hope to see you real soon. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.